Hello students, now I am going to discuss your next topic in the chapter of changing profit sharing ratio. Your next topic is workman compensation reserve. Workman compensation reserve. So first of all, what is the workman compensation reserve? Workman compensation reserve is a reserve set aside out of firm's profit to meet possible liability on account of compensation to employees. If it arises, say for accident, it means a claim may or not arise. It also means that a claim may be equal to or less or more than amount of reserve. So at the time of change in profit sharing ratio, it is treated as follows. So first case is when workman compensation reserve is given in the question but there is no claim for accident or any other about the workman compensation reserve. So first case is when there is no claim. Let's take one example. A and B are two partners. Their profit ratio, old profit ratio 3:2. And after some time, this is the old ratio. Okay. And 1:1, their new ratio. If workman compensation reserve given in the question rupees 1 lakh, but there is no any claim, so what entry should be passed? If in case of there is no claim, distribute all amount of workman compensation reserve to the partners in the old ratio. Means all rupees 1 lakh rupees distribute to the A and B in their old ratio 1:2. So how we pass journal entry? So journal entry is simply workman compensation reserve account debited to A's capital account into B's capital account. Rupees 1 lakh distribute this amount in the ratio of 3:2. 3:2 means 3/5 and 2/5. That means 60,000 to A and 40,000 to B. Being workman compensation reserve, distribute. This is the first case. Next case is if claim is given. Suppose that in this question, in this example, claim of workman compensation. Okay. So claim is 60,000 and workman compensation reserve is 1 lakh. See here, amount of claim is less than amount of workman compensation reserve. So excess amount. So excess amount is how much? Excess amount is 40,000. 40,000 distributed to the partners in the ratio of old. Suppose that workman compensation reserve account debited to claim on WCR workman compensation reserve and to name of partners is capital account and B capital account. Put amount on this journal entry. Suppose that 1 lakh here and claim is 60,000, balance 40,000 rupees, balance 40,000 distribute in the ratio of 3:2. 3:2 means old ratio. So in the ratio 24,000 and 60,000. Okay. And case number 3 is amount of claim is more than amount of workman compensation reserve. So look here, claim is 1,20,000 or workman compensation is 1 lakh. So in that situation, first of all, excess amount will transfer to the revaluation account, such as workman compensation reserve account debited, revaluation account debited to claim on WCR. Put here amount of claim 1 lakh, total workman compensation reserve, claim is 1,20,000 and efficiency amount 20,000 transferred to revaluation account. After this entry, one extra entry will be passed, amount loss of revaluation transferred to the partner's capital account. So entry is capital account debited, B is capital account debited to revaluation account. Amount, excess amount 20,000, distribute this amount in the ratio of 3:2, means old ratio is 3:2. So 12,000 and 8,000.